Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Thursday, June 19th, 2025. DevTools Guild launches its DevTool funding initiative. Coinbase launches Coinbase Payments. Ethereum developers add 4 more EIPs to Fusaka. And L2B implements its new classification framework. All this and more starts right now. The DevTools Guild launched its initiative to fund and coordinate essential developer tooling projects across the Ethereum ecosystem, starting with a 1-year pilot of the program. Inspired by the Protocol Guild, the DevTools Guild seeks to accelerate Ethereum application development by supporting the teams and individuals who maintain infrastructure. The initiative focuses on sustainably funding critical tools, bridging the gap between protocol development and application layer developers, and improving coordination, visibility, and accountability across projects. Initial member projects include Solidity, Viper, Ethers.js, VM, Alloy, Nethereum, Web3.js, Foundry, Scaffold ETH, Ape, and Sourcify. Community members can support the guild by donating to donate.devtoolsguild.eth. L2B implemented its new classification framework for rollups and data availability layers. The revised framework enforces stricter standards. Projects must now have a fully functioning proof system, a data availability bridge to Ethereum or robust data availability committee for rollups without DA systems, and a verifiable architecture in order to be listed as a Layer 2. Of the 130 plus projects listed on L2B, only 26 met the new criteria and retained their Ethereum Layer 2 status. OP stack rollups lacking proofs and orbit chains with limited whitelists have also been excluded from the dashboard. Some chains, including Scroll, were bumped down from Stage 1 to Stage 2 rollup status under the new criteria. Ethereum core developers agreed to add 4 more Ethereum improvement proposals to the scheduled for inclusion list for Fusaka, Ethereum's next upgrade, slated for later this year. Among them is EAP 7907, which proposes the introduction of gas metering for contract code loading and significantly raises the maximum contract code size from 24 kilobits to 256 kilobits. EAP 7934 sets a protocol level cap on RLP encoded execution block sizes, limiting them to 10 megabytes plus a 512 kilobyte buffer. EAP 7951 introduces a new precompile to support ECDSA signature verification using the SEC P256R1 curve. And lastly, EAP 7939 adds a new opcode CLZX, which calculates the number of leading 0 bits in a 256-bit word. And lastly, Coinbase launched Coinbase Payments, a modular tech stack for stablecoin payments built on Base, designed for commerce platforms, payment service providers, marketplaces, and e-commerce infrastructure providers. It enables providers to integrate USDC payments into existing systems without requiring blockchain expertise. The stack consists of 3 core components, including Stablecoin Checkout, which offers a wallet-native experience, a commerce engine, a set of API tools that helps platforms manage payments, refunds, and subscriptions, and the Commerce Payments Protocol, a suite of open-source smart contracts for on-chain execution. In other news, Congress passes the Genius Act of 2025, and SAFE launches the Safe Research Arm. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.